All right, y'all. One thing you have to know before you buy this Toshiba, that sounds like such a fun name, Toshiba microwave, is how to open it. You guys, when me and my fiance first got this, he literally was tugging on it and pulling on it. And my fiance is a big guy. Like, he's got muscles. He almost broke it when we first got it. And so did I because he did not relay the information to me that when you open this, there's going to be a button right underneath. So you're going to press this button. So see where my finger is? You're going to come underneath, press it, and then you're going to open it. It literally, and then when you close it, I don't think you have to, you can close it without having to do that, but to open it, you have to press that button and open it up. Otherwise, you're literally going to just be tugging and tugging. We had a cleaning lady come in when we first moved in here too. Hey, baby, don't lick that. Come here. Come here. Don't lick that. My dog is literally licking the tripod, so it like moves. We absolutely love this. My fiance, he's a health and vitality coach, and this is the absolute best microwave that we could find on Amazon. It is amazing. I love it. Super easy. Y'all know how to use microwave, but it is now you're just getting into the trash. But that is something you definitely have to know before using this is how to open it and close it because it's not really, you don't really see the button in it. So if you found this helpful, please share with the next person and I hope you love it.